SNOWPIERCER. In the past, many have linked the film to Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, and today I'm going to do the same thing, but this time for the Netflix version. Let's start off by talking about the movie version real quick. It's obvious that this and the Netflix version are set in different universes. Evidence for this is that Wilfred looks completely different, as does the train itself. So now we know that the Netflix and movie versions are set in alternate universes of each other, maybe running parallel. This means that Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory must also be slightly different, as there too is a parallel version of events in the Netflix SNOWPIERCER universe. So this explains any timeline altercations compared to the other theory with the film. We are of course once again going to link Wilfred to Charlie. Wilfred would have taken on the company's name, and indeed eventually Wonka's name too, to continue the legacy. This explains the appearance of the letter W everywhere, which we know Wonka himself loved to do. Before moving on to a deeper link, I feel I need to once again mention that each cart acts as a different room within the factory itself, and one by one, people get taken out until Andre gets to the top and takes control. However, maybe after having his train stolen, Charlie, now Wilfred, isn't quite ready to hand over his legacy as Wonka once was, and instead changes his mind, making a comeback and returning to once again take control of SNOWPIERCER. Now let's get on to the deeper thing. One huge plot thread across both Wonka movies was the social class divide in the characters, and the Netflix installment continues this thread perfectly. We have people rich at the head of the chain, and the ones that fail in their goals, and then we have the people at the bottom like Andre, who succeed after immense trials of difficulty, and then, by the end, Andre, just like little boy Charlie, is at the top, and it's all been flipped, with everything they could have ever wanted. And I know that this theory is a little more far-fetched than the theories linking the two films together, but I think what I provided, as well as a few of your own headcanons, this could work. You just need to jump on board the crazy train and leave the Mephisto train for a day. But hey, that's what fun theories like these are all about. So let me know if you think or find anything else that could link these two together, and indeed if you are on board the crazy train and are making this part of your very, very crazy theory headcanon. So thanks for watching, have a lovely day, evening, or wherever you are in the SNOWPIERCER world, and bye bye.